Hello and welcome to another exciting video of class first computer, and today we are going to see the exercise of our first lesson, that is introduction to computer. I hope you have gone through the first video of this lesson, that is part 1, and in this video we are going to cover the exercise part. So here we have completed exercise of textbook also and workbook also. So first we will complete the exercise of textbook. So I hope you have gone through textbook also. So here we go. So first question, यहाँ पे क्या किया है, क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, उसमें से एक रिडल टाइप क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है और उसका हिंट दिया गया है. So here we have given a name also and it's a function also, and according to that we have to find out using the given hint. So first question is like, it allows us to travel from one place to another place. And three letter word is there. First letter is C and third letter is R. So what is the second letter? And you have to add that second letter in it and you have to make the complete word out of it. So which is the thing that we use to travel from one place to another one? Yes, it is car. So what? Which letter will come over there? A will come out. Good. So write it with the pencil only. Now we can use it to write on a paper. Which thing we use to write on a paper? Whether it is pencil or with the pen. So E is given and three letter word is there. So what will come over there? It starts with P, E, and then what will come? Yan. Very good. Now the third one, it can carry heavy object from one place to another. What is the thing that carries heavy object from one place to another place? Four letters are given. First two are of initial letters and two last letters, T, R, dash, dash, and CT. So what will come over there? Yes, you will come over there. So it will become truck. Now, fourth one, we use it to talk to or message our family and friends. What is the thing that we use to talk and message and play games? It starts with M and ends with LE. So it will be mobile. So spelling is MO, then B. What will come after B? I, and then LE, mobile. Now doctor use it to prepare medical reports in the hospital. What is the thing that doctors use to prepare medical reports? It starts with C and ends with R. So it is COM, com. Then what will come? PUT. Then what will come after T? E will come, and that will become computer. Very good. Now we'll go to our second question. Here you have to do true. Here you have to tick about correct and wrong answer. So it is already been done. So teachers use the computer to make reports. Yes, it is true. Teachers use computers for making reports. Then second one is, computer is a machine made by man to perform various tasks. Yes, as we already learnt it, it is a machine that is made to perform various tasks. And natural things are things made by man. Natural things are made by man? No, natural things are made by nature only. So cross will come on there. And a computer can be used to play music. Yes, computer can be used to play music. Now the third question is from your workbook, and it is first question of workbook. So here two boxes are given, and in that boxes, in each box you have to draw one natural thing and one man-made thing, and you have to write name on that also. For example, here I have given natural things, means which are the natural things? Natural things are the natural which are not made by man, and man-made means which are made by man. So here tree is drawn in the first box, and in second one I have drawn bicycle. So you can draw the same in your workbook. Got it? Okay. Now second question is, you have to put right tick mark if the picture is of a machine, and you have to put cross mark if the picture is not a machine. So first one is a bus, school bus. or any other bus. So bus is a machine or natural thing. Is it made by nature? No, it is made by human beings. So it is man made thing. बस क्या होता है? Man made thing होता है. बस हमने बनाया है. बस ने हमको नहीं. Okay, so it is man made thing. So what will come over there? Right tick mark will come. Then there is a plant of a rose. So rose plant is a natural thing. We cannot prepare rose plant everywhere in our factories. That is natural thing. So it will come. Cross will come on there. Third one is our computer, which is also a man-made thing. Then chair is made by humans, so it is man-made thing. Then there is iron, which we use to iron our clothes. That is also a man-made thing. And at last, a small cute cat is given. That is obviously natural thing. But it so bus is machine, computer is machine, iron is a machine, and chair is a man-made thing. Got it? The next question, here you have to complete the given sentences. The first sentence is computer help us to, and then four sentences are given. So you have to write four uses of computer. Where computers are used, first use that we are going to write is for drawing and painting. So this is the first use of drawing and painting. And what is the second one? I hope you have gone through the first part of this lessons video and you have gone through the lesson also, then you can write it. So second one is to do maths operation, to do addition, to do subtraction and other maths operation we use computer. Then third one is to type letters, numbers, words and sentences we use computer. And fourth one, to play games and listen music. This is also use of computer. So these are four uses that for what we use computer. Now, this is very interesting question actually. We have given some bunch of word letters actually and they are not in a particular order. Below that some pictures are given and you have to unscramble those letters in a particular sequence that it will make the name of that picture. So first letters are A, K, N, B. So what can we form from A, K, N, B? What can be formed from A, K, and B? Where computer is used? Okay, A, K, and B. Let's start with a B. So B, A, and K. Yes. So what we have got? We have got bank. Bank is the place where computer is used. Now second one is CSHOLO. CSHOLO. So which word we can form from it? You can see in your picture also it is school. Very good. Now the third one is TROAIPR. Now from this what we can prepare, you can see one aeroplane is given and name is also given over there. The place where aeroplane is parked, that is airport. Very good. Now the fourth one, ITOHSPRA, that is D. Number D picture you can see plus symbol is given. What it is? It is hospital. Very good. And the last one is POCIFE, from where we can correlate that few person are there, they are working at one place, so it will be like office. So it will become office. OFFICE, office. Now this is another worksheet that you are going to solve, which will be sent to you. So here crosswords are given, some hint is given. Okay, so for first one, a computer runs extremely fast. It is 13-letter word and it starts with SU, that is SU. So with what is the computer that works very fast? So it is supercomputer. What it is? Supercomputer. So the spelling is given there, PERCOMPUTER. It is supercomputer. The second one is it works on battery that can be charged. What is the thing that works on batteries and can be charged and it is like a computer? So it is laptop. So A, P and O will come in between. The third one, a computer that is kept on desk. If it is kept on desk, so it will become desktop. So here we will write E, K, T and P we will be
adding on there. Last one, computer that fits into your palm. Palm means your hand, this part of your hand, that is part. So it is called palm top. What will come there? PALM and O will be added over there. So I hope you all will solve the same in your notebook also and your workbook also. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.